Welcome to Alengko Healthy. Garlic is a really ancient food and has been used to season food and as the active ingredient in hundreds of remedies for thousands of years. Garlic is closely related to onions, and despite its strong aroma, it's one of the most consumed foods around the world. In antiquity, it was used to give flavor to dishes, repel pests and even demons. While this last one is pure superstition, there are many people who think that garlic can help combat negative energies. Whatever the case, we know garlic is rich in essential nutrients and possesses many important medicinal properties and a variety of benefits for your health. Below we'll show you some of the most important properties and an interesting treatment that some people are using to sleep better. Are you interested? Nutritional properties of garlic. Garlic provides a significant amount of calories, up to 100 per 100 grams. However, because you're never consuming it in large quantities, it can't cause weight gain. Garlic contains complex carbohydrates and proteins that improve physical and mental performance. It provides plenty of B-complex vitamins and essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. However, its main benefits are attributed to its high concentration of sulfurous compounds like allicin. Garlic's main benefits. While it's not really considered a miracle substance for the body, many of its effects have made it one of the best superfoods you can eat. Its beneficial compounds are perfect for treating various types of infections, metabolic disorders and respiratory problems. In fact, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances garlic contains make it a powerful ally for cardiovascular health. Eating garlic improves the elasticity of your arteries, reduces excess cholesterol and regulates blood pressure levels. It also improves the blood flow to the individual cells of the body and helps prevent premature aging. It possesses antibacterial and antiseptic properties that may work better than certain synthetic antibiotics. It's a natural diuretic that fights fluid retention and inflammation in the tissues. What's more, those who eat more garlic as a part of a healthy diet lose more weight than those who don't. Why put garlic under my pillow? Now that you know more about the benefits of garlic, we'll show you a simple therapy that involves putting a clove of garlic under your pillow each night. This old family secret has been used to improve sleep quality and depth for generations, especially in people who have a hard time falling asleep. The sulfurous compounds in garlic, along with its aroma, have a calming effect that helps improve the quality of your sleep. In ancient times, it was thought that garlic was able to offer a protection against evil spirits. In reality, this sense of security is due to its natural zinc content. The smell may be difficult to get used to at first, but after a few days it won't be a problem and you'll praise it as the best remedy for insomnia. What's more is that it even has a positive effect on physical performance, as garlic helps recharge your energy for the next day. We recommend complementing this therapy by eating at least a clove of garlic a day on an empty stomach, with or without lemon. Thanks for watching. Likes, share, and subscribe.